Can I recreate this hot and spicy for under $1? First, let's get drunk.
Welcome to Drunk Dining, where we get drunk and cook food.
Oh, my life. Screw my daughter. Why do I do this to myself? This is the dumbest idea for a show. All right, so welcome back to Drunk Dining. Glad to bring the show back. When I first started doing was I grabbed some chicken breast. I tried to butterfly it, but probably not the best idea. So I just decided to just chop it up into small pieces. After that, I kind of briefly threw it into the freezer for a little while just to kind of harden it. Maybe I should have ate something like McDonald's. I haven't had a haircut in months. Can you guys please watch Drunk Dining? Please click like. It's definitely not responsible. It might be signs of alcoholism. I just took them out after they hardened after like about an hour. Picked it up, put it in my food processor. Couldn't figure out how to use the dang thing. Took the pieces, flattened them out, made them into patties. They were about 2.5 ounces each. Into saran wrap, which if you do this, I suggest you put the whole thing in saran wrap, because I put the other side on a paper plate and it ended up sticking to the paper plate, which was no bueno. Yeah, that's all the prep for this episode. Just a bunch of pulverizing and saran wrap. Everybody was kung fu fighting. Ha! What I do for you guys, all 2 people who watch the show. It's a marathon. It's not a sprint. If you like what you see, press the like button down below. Took that one like a man. So I froze these earlier. You didn't see that. Is there like a timer? I'm not really sure how this works. We're just gonna do some flour. Oh no. There's flour going all over the place. No. You didn't see that. It's just me, okay guys? I'm not infecting anyone. I did have corona earlier this year. Don't tell anyone. Definitely always salt your flour. Throw some garlic powder in here. Make it spicy. Got cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper, I'm not really sure how hot it is, to be honest. Just gonna pack that thing in. I would put other spices, but come on, let's just be honest. It's McDonald's. Like, do they even believe in spices? I mean, if it was Popeyes, yeah, you know, this is one of your best utensils in the entire kitchen. It's like a whisker. It's a couple things, you know. Oh, I'm an idiot. I should probably get my oil warming up. So we're gonna throw that bad boy on there. Throw this down there. Why do I feel like why am I trying to go so fast? Do I really have a time limit? We're gonna start off with 250, because what we really want to do is we want to take the chicken that I froze earlier, and we're just gonna try to cook it on the inside for now. And then what we'll do is we'll slowly brown it up. I feel like I need more alcohol. Bad idea? Likely a terrible idea. But it was an idea. What if I like throw up on the show one day? I feel like that might happen. Crack the egg. Don't drop the egg in there. Okay, don't judge me. I have brown eggs too. I mean, oh, crack the egg. Ooh, that was a good one. I broke it, but all right. And you remember that utensil I told you that was really good earlier? You know what? McDonald's definitely puts black pepper in this. I know it. Sorry, I don't have a pepper cracker. This is just kind of winging it. Mix it all up. And if you're smart, during the processing of the chicken breast, you should have thrown at least a 2% salt ratio. Just take it by grams and multiply it by 0.02. Take your amount, divide by 100. So if it was 30 grams, that would be 0.3 grams, right? Yeah, 0.3 grams, right? So you would multiply 0.3 times 2, and that would be 2%. That's like the ideal ratio. What makes it red? We're gonna throw so much cayenne at this that I hope this turns red. Is this a good idea? Definitely not. But will it make it red? I sure as hell hope so. Yeah, that's red. I'm so drunk. This is drunk dining, you guys. Is it educational? I hope so. I feel like it should teach you a lesson in don't drink and do anything in general. And then we're just gonna use the same blending utensil. It's awesome. This is actually my only fork in the entire household. I feel like I should use one more egg. One more egg. Uno más, por favor. I only speak English. Do this as if you're chronically masturbating like you have been your entire quarantine. So we got our eggs. I guess you can add milk if you really want. And I froze these earlier. They're about 2.5 ounces each. So breast is about $1.99 per pound. I think I calculated it. It was something around like 23 cents a patty or something. And to tell you the truth, I really am not very confident in that. So try to keep one dry hand, one wet hand. We all know how that goes. Doesn't work out very well. So dry, wet, bathe the chicken in its unborn children. Throw it back into the dry. Try not to get too clumpy. And I'm frying this oil at kind of like a lower heat temperature. So right now I'm at 250. I would double batter this on a normal thing, but this is McDonald's and they really don't have much of a batter on it. So I'm just gonna take this and drop it in there. I'm gonna have to set up some kind of pulling rack. I don't know if you guys can see this. It's probably on the other video. Oh no, no. Do I only have one test baby? I put this on a paper plate. I don't know how good of an idea this was. This is one of my least favorite processes. I'm not gonna lie. The whole deep battering thing is just labor intensive. I feel like if you set up 3 bowls to create onion rings or any sort of, you would do flour, egg wash / like water wash. The last batter would be like panko or something. Like if you do that for anyone, you probably should get laid. Is this what people do normally? Like they just kind of like talk and hopefully they're entertaining. And if you ever want to wash your hands, you just wash it with flour. This is like how you get all the sticky stuff off of you. By the way, always dry all your utensils when frying with oil. Water and oil are like, they hate each other. And it's like what the fuck, guys, come on, like get along. But the only way you can get them to get along is like if you add like an emulsifier. Egg yolks are emulsifiers, surprisingly. Definitely not vegan. We're gonna fry this at a low heat. You really wanna just kind of like get the meat cooked. This is when paper towels become your best friend. Wow, these already look like hot and spices. I'm surprised. I'm using vegetable oil. Peanut oil is known as the most clean oil. Who got money for that? We're in a quarantine. We're gonna all die. I have a feeling this is gonna get me sick. I'm gonna be honest. This chicken was a little old when I froze it, just a little. If I do die, I'll tell you guys in the next episode. It's gonna be fine. Whoa, you didn't even see that because it's off the camera, but I fucking Kobe to that. R.I.P. Rest in peace, Kobe. Now we're frying. Definitely smells. I don't know if it's good smell or bad smell. I like a fat layer. Woo! Look at that bad boy. Ever watch that video? Can I pet that dog? Can I pet that dog? Can I pet that dog? Part of me thinks I'm killing it right now. The other part of me thinks I'm like fucking up so bad. Oh, they toast the buns. Gotta toast some buns. Okay. Always toast the side down. We got buns toasting, that reheating. We'll throw this in the microwave. No fast food item is complete without shreddis. All it takes is a head of lettuce and a little bit of ingenuity. All right, I feel like that's starting to get nice, golden brown, delicious. Okay, be very careful with knives, especially when drinking. This is my Japanese knife. So with shreddis, just cut like a small portion. And there we go. That's literally probably all we need. So just be very careful. Shreddis. Super simple, super easy. Always invest in a knife. I think hands down, a good knife is better than any utensil / tool in your entire arsenal. I feel like these bad boys are done. This one looks almost like a hot and spicy, right? Okay, I think the buns are done. I burnt them. Let's try that again. Okay, so that's my bad boy. This one's McDonald's bad boy. They're pretty close, very similar. So McDonald's buns. All right, I think we're at that comparison thing. We got Shreddis. We got our chicken breast that's been processed in our processor. We got some toasted buns. They throw a little bit of mayo and some Shreddis. Let's just kind of recreate that. Spread that with our expensive ass knife. A little bit of Shreddis. Tad more. Okay, we'd lay our product just so top bun over that. Do we do it? I don't know. We'll do a little cross section. Give some idea. Okay, there's that cross section. There's that cross section. Damn. I feel like I should take a drink to this. So I'm gonna put my head over here just so you can see the cross section, because the camera focuses on my face. So, all right, this is a moment of truth. I'm gonna be honest here because I don't think mine's gonna be as good. That's a hot and spicy one though, for sure. Okay, I toasted my buns a little too long. I will admit that. But I think the cross section looks nicer. The process looks a little. Let's just hope that it tastes as good. Okay, I'm gonna admit it's dry as all hell. I mean, I can taste it's real. It's obviously real. Nah, I failed here. No good. Yeah, I'll eat the McDonald's one. Well, thank you for watching Drunk Dining. The rest of this food's gonna go to the dogs, so just pay the $1 to get McDonald's for sure. Was it worth it? No. No. Not at all. Hey guys, my name is Juan, and if you haven't, you should probably subscribe to my channel because I'll be posting a lot more videos. And I'm not wearing any pants. You know, do the thing. I'm an awkward human being. I just want friends.